Which one is the bigger number, 6 or 7?
7.
7. So we are going to start
ngayon,
counting
no?
from 7.
Si Eunice,
Now, which
nag-aaral
one is
siya,
the smaller
mama.
number here?
Ayun, pinag-aaralan niyo.
6. So let's have 6
Very
fingers
good
up.
naman pala to. Ayun, no? Tingin nga.
Now,
Sulat
let's
mo
start
daw yung A.
counting from 7. Let's count up. 7,
Wow, very good.
8, 9, 10,
Huwag mong burahin.
11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7 is
13.
13.
Okay lang yan kahit laptop.
That is all for you today. I hope you
Ay,
enjoyed
ayaw
the
niya
lesson.
makinig.
I'll see you
Tapos
next
na
time.
agad?
Bye!
Ibang ano naman lesson. So guys, mag-aano tayo. Si mama yan.
Di pa rin siya natatapos sa AM.
Ano ba yan? Wala.
Ulitin mo lang yan. Ulitin mo yan.
Ulit.
Ulitin mo. Ayun sila. Okay.
Ito po yung inaano ko.
Today we are going to learn addition by using a very easy method called counting
Nalilipat
on.
din siya.
But first,
Guys,
we need to
guys,
recall by
nalilipat.
counting to 20. Let's do it
Nalilipat
together.
din siya.
1,
Ah.
up everyone.
5 plus, 6 plus 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good job.
Now, starting from 6, let's count up.
Pag-aralan mo yan.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5 is 11.
Alright. Good.
Here we have 8
Thank you,
plus
guys.
4.
Si Eunice naman.
Which one is the bigger number here?
8.
Oh, very good din pala yung si
So we
Eunice.
are going to start counting from 8. Which one is the smaller number here?
4.
4. So let's all have 4 fingers up. Now, starting from 8, let's count up. 8, 9, 10,
Ano ba yan?
11, 12. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Now what about 9 plus 7? Which one is the bigger number here?
Red.
9.
9.
So we are going to start counting from 9. Which one is the smaller number here? 7.
Good job.
Now can you put 7 fingers up? Now let's start counting from 9. We count up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 plus 7 is 16.
16.
Next, what
Very
about
good din pala si
5
Bill
plus
ko. Uy,
12?
galing letter C ah.
Which one is the
galing
bigger
ah.
number here?
May picture pa siya eh.
12.
Yan o, picture.
So we are going to start counting from 12. And which one is the
Five.
smaller number here? 5. So,
Ano
let's
letter
all
yan,
have
Eunice?
5 fingers up.
A, B, C, D,
Good.
E,
Now, starting
F,
from 12, let's count up. 12, 13,
nalilipat tayo sa
Babay na kayo, babay na.
14,